Hey everyone, I was getting these retainer cleaners from B.WEISShealth for my honest review. What I love about them is that you get 30 of these, so it's going to last you a whole month. And they're not just for retainers. I use them for my night guard, but you can also use them for a Invisalign as well. You simply take one tablet, put it in some water, and it will start to dissolve immediately. And because this is grape scented, grape flavored, you'll see that grape color come about pretty quickly. This grape version has a really nice grape scent to it. And then I just take my night guard and I put it in the dissolved solution. You could leave it in for 15 to 20 minutes, or you can leave it in overnight for real stubborn stains. And I love that my night guard looks so much better and all the stains are off, all the gook is off, and it feels so much better in my mouth. So if you're looking for the easiest way to clean off the gook and the stains off your mouthpiece, whether that be a retainer cleaner, a Invisalign, mouth guard, whatever, then I highly recommend these retainer cleaners.